A brand new 2024 C8 Corvette on the lift. This is becoming one of the most common cars at the shop. We're running an MBRP catback. We're getting rid of this stock bullshit. The customer did not like the round tips, so G Exhaust does what G Exhaust does. We swap his stock tips over to the MBRP. We have to build some adapters, but we make shit happen at G Exhaust. So typical Corvette C8 job, we gotta remove the bumper. This one does have a pretty sweet paint job. It's got that glistening gray in there. It's got a little flake. Looks pretty sweet with the black trim everywhere. So he wanted to keep his black square tips on the MBRP catback. So MBRP does make one of the most inexpensive systems on the market. It's a little under 2,000 bucks. I would say like 1,500 bucks for the catback, which makes it the cheapest system on the market. Relatively simple design. X pipe in the middle, 3-inch piping from the tips, and then off the stock cats, another 3-inch elbow into the X. So, like I said, not much technology in here, but that's what you get when you spend $1,500 on an exhaust system. So, like I said, if you're looking for an inexpensive system for your Corvette, go with MBRP. Not a big fan of this system, but we get the job done. And it's gonna sound pretty sick because it's a full straight pipe on a V8 Corvette. So, like I said, chopping off the tips. This system does come with valve simulators, so we do not have to plug in any of those valves. We simulate the MPP and the AFM valves with a simple simulator, so no check engine light guaranteed. So most of these cars, just for all my other Corvette guys, you do have to relearn the program at Chevy if you do a system with new MPP valves. You cannot put an aftermarket system on there. You will get a check engine light, and you will have to go back to the dealer and get the system relearned so the MPP valves work properly again. So pretty standard. Borla has it on their website. I'm not sure why those are the only companies that really specify it when you buy a system, but all Corvette systems require a relearn when you're going with an MPP. So if you don't want an MPP and you don't want to deal with a check engine light, get a system with the valve simulators. So AWE, MBRP, G Exhaust catbacks all have simulators, so no check engine light guaranteed. So the MBRP is all installed. We got the test fitted tips. We went back and forth with the bumper to make sure they look OEM, and we got that thing perfect. So looks sweet, sounds even better, guys. We're gonna crank this thing up, let you guys hear it. You tell me what you think. Roar, hear the roar. That's the idol of the MBRP straight pipe with an X pipe, all 3-inch piping, stock tips, baby. Sounds good. Like I said, not my favorite system. No technology in this at all, except for an X pipe, but does sound like a Corvette should. So, like I said, if you're looking for a catback, as you can see, we're doing Corvettes on the daily. We got this orange one, we got this gray one, we got this murdered out B or Z or FRS, whatever you want to identify as. They go by both. Non-binary, Toyota, Subaru. But yeah, both Corvettes got MBRP kits. This one does have the valve controlled MBRP system with the mufflers, so it's a little bit more high end, but still not a big fan of the MBRP kits. Rather you go with Borla, G Exhaust catbacks, or maybe even a Corsa or AWE. I think those are the top brands, especially for the C8. So if you're looking to wake your C8 up, gexhaust.com. We have a shop in Davie, G Exhaust Davie, right down the street from the Hard Rock, and another one over there, up north in Oakland Park. Oakland Park at 95, guys. So hit us up if you're looking for Corvettes, exhaust systems, and we take care of everything else. We can even do your air intake if you're interested. So hit us up. We out.